Hi, my name is Chien, and welcome back to the Sitecore tuning course. And today in this tutorial, I would like to show you how to fix the warning issue when you create new an item via Sitecore again. Okay, so when you create a new Sitecore from a template, it will display the message. Warning message is if you publish now, the selected version will not be visible on the website because it is not in the workflow step. No other version will be published. Okay, so now if you click on the save button here, it will save, and you will click on show the published item here. Yes, it will also save, but the content still not published to the website. Okay, so now I will show you how to fix it. This one relating to the workflow step, so you have to click on the review tab here, and you can see here we have a workflow section. Click on the submit button. You can enter the comment here, but now I will leave it by default blank. You click on the approve button here. Can also add a comment. Yes. After you click on the approve button, it will display. It will hide the warning message. Save. And now you click on the publish. The new item type will be published to the internet. Okay, so hope that helped. Bye bye.